going on, Troy?
Hey man, how's it going?
I'm doing well, man.
Good.
This is awesome. We're finally here at the Quad Standard Labs headquarters. You want to give us a little tour around?
Yeah,
man?
absolutely.
See what you got
First of
going
all,
on?
thanks for coming, man. Yeah,
Absolutely.
So, we got our little lounge area. I'm sure you guys saw, and we'll get circled back to. But we tried to set everything up to where everybody has kind of their own area to work in, whether it's 1 or 2 or 3 people kind of working together. We wanted to kind of compartmentalize everything. So we kind of got 3 different work areas. We've got a lab 1, 2, and 3. So we got Nate here. He's building some thick Sena lifters over here.
Cool.
Over here, we got our print lab, so 3D printers going. We've actually got 8 printers all set up and ready to work, but some of them are in transition between tuning and being up and running. 3D printing is all of its own thing. So I've actually got a guy, Scott Chrysler. He goes by Phantom Flight. He's a local pilot, known him for years. He's actually running all the printers and setting them up and tuning them. We got bins for kind of each build, so to speak. So this is like a squirt bin. This is a Sena lifter bin. We got our hydrophobe bin. These all need to be cleaned up. So basically, as stuff comes off, we throw them into a bin, and then we take them over and get them all cleaned up.
Nice.
And then from there, like I said, we can take those and put them in with builds as we bring builds in. Shipping and receiving. All of our storage for anything that's in stock, anything that we sell. So we sell a lot of radios, lots of goggles, batteries, battery chargers, and then obviously a bunch of bins with all the parts that we use to build the different drones. Props. Everything that comes in or out kind of goes through that room. So with the Sicario, the deal we have with Gab and Andy is Gab and Andy did all the design work and everything. We're doing all the production and the final assembly. We take them from this stage, open them back up, fully test everything, do all the final configurations. So if they wanted a diversity crossfire or they wanted DJI as the radio controller, we set those up that way. If they want GPS, we add that. They want external power, we add that. And then we get everything tested, set up. We put it all back together, and then we go test fly it, we go tune it, we read the logs, we check everything, and then we button it all up with final, and then we put it in the case and send it.
Well, if somebody wants to get in contact with you to get a build done, where can they reach you?
Yeah, so quadstandardlabs.com, our website is the best place to go. From there, you can contact us by sending us an email. You can set up a discovery call just about on every page where you can click on something and say, hey, I'd like to have a call. More than likely, we're gonna ask you to either set up a call or email us, so that's kind of the way to go.
And what's your handles? What's your handle for social media?
QS Labs. So at QS Labs on Instagram, Quad Standard Labs on Facebook, Quad Standard Labs on YouTube. And I think that's about it. I think that's where we are. And then quadstandardlabs.com, obviously. Again, that's where you can pretty much find us anytime.
Very cool. Y'all check them out, Quad Standard Labs.